Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Homeopathy Super Sessions by Dr. Jagos. Today, I'll be doing the part 3 of the short history of Hahnemann's life and contributions. Again, just a reminder, if you're new or if you're a student of homeopathy, please download this app, HomeoED app. It is quite useful for the examinations also. It is a free app. You can go through it and see what is there. So let us see what are the books written by Dr. Hahnemann from the year 1755 to 1921. So 1755, he wrote the Oratio on the wonderful construction of the human hand. In 1781, he wrote paper on wine proving. 1782, small essays in medical observation by Krebs. 1784, directions for the complete cure of old wounds and indolent ulcers. 1786 on poisoning by arsenic, its treatment and forensic detection. 1787 prejudice against heating with coal and ways to improve the fuel, example with 2 copper plates, and relating to the difficulties in the preparation of mineral alkaline salt by means of potassium and kitchen salt. 1788, the influence of certain gases in the fermentation of wine, on the wine test for iron and lead, concerning bile and gallstones, and usually strong remedy for checking putrefaction. 1789, instructions for surgeons on venereal diseases, a letter to Krell concerning sulfate of baryta, discovery of new constituents in plumbago, observation of the astringent properties of plant, unsuccessful experiments with some new discoveries. 1790, complete directions for the preparation of merc solubilis, a method to check salivation and the destructive effect of mercury, and minor essays on various subjects. 1791, insolubility of some metals and the oxides in caustic ammonia. 1792, contributions to the wine test, Friends of Health, pamphlet, which had 1,100 pages, and on the preparation of globus salt according to the method of Belen. 1793, he wrote the Epithecal Lexicon, that is a pharmaceutical lexicon, preparation of Castle Yellow, some remarks on the Württemberg and Hahnemann's wine test. 1794, on Hahnemann's new wine test and the new liquor Probatoris Fortier. 1795, on Crustal Lachia, that is Bill Crust and the Friends of Health, second pamphlet, which had 96 pages. And 1796, an essay on the new principles, ascertaining the curative power of drugs, and some examinations of the previous principles. That is Eufland's Journal, Volume 2, and description of Cocklenberg during his insanity. As you all know, he treated the Cocklenberg, who was suffering from insanity, and on successful cure of Cocklenberg, a part of the kingdom was given to Dr. Hahnemann to start his hospital to treat the mental disease. 1797, something about the pulverization of ignitia beans, antidote to some heroic vegetable substance, some kind of continued and remittent fevers, a case of rapidly cured coccygodynia, are the obstacles to the attainment of simplicity and certainty in practical medicine instrumentable. 1797, some kind of continued and remittent fevers, some periodical and herbomandal diseases, antidote to some heroic vegetable substances. 1801, cure and prevention of scarlet fever, observation on the 3 current methods of treatment, and the power of small dose of medicine in general and of belladonna in particular. Fragmentary observation on Brown's element of medicine, observation on the 3 current methods of treatment by the author of Medical Treasury, Organon of the Rational Medicine. 1802, translated the book Materia Medica of Albert von Haller. 1803, on the effects of coffee and on a proposed remedy for hydrophobia. 1805, Asclepius in the Balance and Fragmenta de Verbis, Medicamentor and Positivis, Sive Insanio Corporo Humano Observatis. 1806, What are poisons, what are medicines, Scarlet fever and miliary pupera miliaris, 2 different diseases, concerning substitutes for quinine, medicine of experience, and 1807, indication of the homeopathic employment of medicine in ordinary practice. 1808, the value of the speculative system of medicine, especially in connection with the various systems of practice. Extract from a letter to a physician of high standing on the great necessity of a regeneration in medicine. 1808, correction of the question put in volume 27, part 1, in the prophylactic for scarlet fever, the present want of foreign medicines on the substitutes for foreign drugs. 1809, to a candidate for a degree of MD, instruction on the prevailing fever, signs of time in the ordinary system of medicine, and 1810, organon of the rational healing, that is Dresden by Arnold, the first edition. 1811, Mater Medica Pura, part 1 by Dresden, second edition 1823, third edition in 1830. In 1812, dissertation on the Helleborans of the ancients, 1813, Spirit of Homeopathic Doctor of Medicine, 1814, treatment of typhus fever, at present prevailing. 1815, Mater Medica Pura, part 3, second edition in 1825. 1816, Mater Medica Pura, part 2, second edition 1824, third edition 1833, venereal disease and its improper treatment and the treatment of burns. 1818, Mater Medica Pura, part 4, second edition 1825. 1819, Mater Medica Pura, part 5, second edition 1826, organon of the art of healing, second edition, Dresden by Arnold, on uncharitableness to suicides. 1820, on the preparation and dispensing of medicines by homeopathic physician. 1821, Mater Medica Pura, part 6, second edition, 1826. 1824, organ of the healing art, third edition, Arnold by Dresden. 1828, chronic disease, the nature of homeopathic treatment. 1829, organ of the healing art, the fourth edition. 1830, chronic disease, the nature and the homeopathic treatment. 1831, allopathy, a word of warning to sick persons, appeal to thinking philanthropists respecting the modes of propagation of Asiatic cholera. Letter about the cure of cholera, open letter of His Majesty King Friedrich Wilhelm III of Prussia, surest cure and eradication of Asiatic cholera. 1832, cure of cholera. 1833, organ of the art of healing, introduction to the repertoire of antisoric remedies, and systematic alphabetic repertory of the homeopathic remedies by Dr. C. Boning-Hussein on repeating homeopathic remedies, doses, potencies, and double remedies. 1921, Organon of the Art of Healing, 6th edition, edited in accordance with Hahnemann's newly revised manuscript by Dr. Richard Hale of Stuttgart, who wrote the preface, Leipzig, Dr. William Schwab. Now, this is just a summary of the editions of Organon. First edition in 1810 at Torgau, when Hahnemann was 55 years. Second edition, 1819 at Leipzig, Hahnemann was 64 years. Third edition, 1824 at Cothen, Hahnemann was 69 years. Fourth edition, 1829 at Cothen, Hahnemann was 74 years. Fifth edition, 1833 at Cothen, Hahnemann was 78 years. The sixth edition, completed in 1842 at Paris, but published in 1921, Hahnemann was 87 years. Other writings of Dr. Hahnemann are Things That Spoil the Air, Socrates and Phison, on the worth of outward show, the prevention of epidemics in general, protection against infection and epidemic diseases, plan for eradicating a malignant fever, on making the body handy, hardy, and on the choice of a family physician. So that's all. You can just remember a few of his writings, especially in the year 1790, 1796, Friends of Health, and all the Organon textbook and chronic disease and the chronic disease and the Mater Medica Pura. So that's all. It is important for you all to understand. I've given an exhaustive list, but these are the important things which you have to stress on. Thank you very much.